Cross coverage in Systemverilog. Till now you have learned how to define a cow point and explicit bin for the cow points in Systemverilog. Now you will be learning how to define the cross product of two cow points that is already defined in a cover group. A coverage group can specify cross coverage between two or more cow points or variables, and it is defined by using the Systemverilog keyword cross. So we will see an example here. It's the same example that we had described in the previous session. And in the cow group named bus values, there are two cow points named ADDR range and data range, which are sampling the ADDR and data variables. Now I wanted to define a cross product of these two cow points. So this is a syntax to define a cross product coverage in Systemverilog. You can give an optional name followed by a colon, then use the keyword cross and list down the coverage points which you wanted to cross. Here I wanted to cross the ADDR range and data range cow points. So see that these are the names of the cow points defined. Now this statement will create explicit bins for the cross coverage. So these are the bins created. All the bins of the first cow point crossing with all the bins of the second cow point. So the bins are like the null range of the ADDR range is crossing with null range of data range, low range of data range, and mid range of data range, high range of data range. In the same way, all other bins of the ADDR range are crossed with data range in the same fashion. So it will create 16 explicit bins by defining the cross coverage between ADDR range and data range. Also, you can specify the variable itself instead of the cow point name. So that is it can be anything. It can be a variable name or a cow point name. Remember that if you are using a variable name, then explicitly all the cow points of that variable will be created and it will be crossed with the second variable. Now the usage of cross coverage is to simplify the problem of writing complex cow points in many scenarios. So cross coverage will define or help you to define simplified cow points, simplified separate cow points, and just by defining a cross coverage and fine-tuning that cross coverage bin, you will be able to write more complex scenarios in terms of the simplified cow points. Also remember that cross coverage can be specified only for two or more cover points defined in the same cover group. So you have to use the cover points defined in the same cover group to define a cross coverage. You cannot cross a cover point that is lying outside of this particular coverage group. And this we had already seen. When a variable is a part of a cross coverage, Systemverilog will implicitly create all the coverage point for that variable as if it is created by the statement cow point v. But it is always recommended to write an explicit cow point for all the variables and cross them in the relevant fashion.